The easiest method to turn off RCS messaging, or I would say disable RCS messaging in any Android phone, I'll tell you the easiest method. And to do that, to turn off that, you just need to go to settings, and without any delay, just click on the search and type RCS. And the top result, you need to click on RCS. The top result is RCS chats. And then again, you will find RCS chats. And you just need to turn off the RCS chat from here. And that's it. You do not need to do anything apart from this. The moment you do it, you will stop receiving any sort of RCS messaging. So please hit the like and subscribe, and do share this tutorial with your family and friends. Have a wonderful day.